Hey, this is Ronald from MathSkills University, and today I want to show you these BuySight lights. These are spotlights. I bought one of these for my wife when she went camping about a year or so ago. And they go to Indiana, her and her sister, and they love going camping. These things are phenomenal. I bought these on Amazon. I've had them for over a year. We have a really dark backyard. The top one is your side light, and you can dim them down from here. And this will be your spotlight. And I'll show you tonight how bright it gets. It gets really bright. Or I can have them both on. That's really, really bright. It comes with the USB cable. Of course, it's rechargeable. Here's a basic manual. You're not going to really need that. This is great if you have power outages and things like that. You can keep one of these in your car. These lights are bright. And I'll show you tonight. Okay, I'm outside in the backyard. And let's turn the flash on. This is the side light. If you have this in the yard or you're working on the car or something like that, this is the brightest it gets. That'll be the next level of brightness. As you can see, you can always turn it straight up like that. Here's a quick video of both of the lights on at the same time. So I have the front light on as well as the side light on full blast. Have it go straight up. And if I put two of these out, I guess I can get some pretty good light, but the spotlight on this is what really shines. It's phenomenal. The side light is good if you're working, like I said, on your car. My backyard is 60 feet long and 50 feet wide. As you can see, the spotlight is extremely bright. I went to the street and hit the corner stop sign, which is at least 100 feet from my house. I go up on the tree. Something back there. There's a shed I built. I did a review on the shed. I mean, look how bright this thing is. If I go up, I don't want to shine in anyone's house. This has 3 levels. So bright, dimmer, dimmest, off. This is also a privacy screen I put up yesterday and today on both sides of the fence here. As you can see, this thing is really, really bright. If you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any comments, suggestions, or ideas, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Peace.